So in this video, I'll show you how to sharpen the images in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So for you to do this, you have to enable a feature in the settings, which is known as FIDELITYFX CAS. So to do this, simply launch the game and then access this page. Then press the options button on your controller to access this menu, and then use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings icon to reveal all the settings. Then scroll down and find the graphics option. So select on it to proceed. And then within the graphics, use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the quality section. And then scroll down and find the Fidelity CAS option. So select it, turn it on. And then from here, you can adjust the Fidelity FX CAS strength. So if you want to adjust it, simply select on it and use the left analog stick to either reduce it or increase it. And once this feature is enabled then the image will have a sharper quality. So the image will be more sharp, and you can see this in the game. So that's basically it on how to sharpen your image in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.